This is a test of the IBM Proprinter II. I'm going to send it a generic test print from Windows 98. It needs a new ribbon, but it looks like all the pins are hitting to me. It's missing its top plastic, both whatever the rear cover was and or front cover. The online button works, but it doesn't seem to form feed or line feed. So I don't know if buttons don't work or if you do something else. The way I loaded paper was to come in right there, line up the holes on the paper, and then it came up like that, and that worked. And then I believe it will load paper from the front like this. So I'll put it back online and send it another test print. I guess that's the out of paper error. So I hit the online button and it started working again. But these buttons don't seem to work the way I would think they should work. So I tightened up the ribbon there. So I think this should be form feeding and line feeding over here, but it's not. So that's the end of this test.